This is Duke University.
My name is Patrick Green. I'm a graduate student in Duke's biology department. I'm going into my 5th year and I study animal behavior. I study mantis shrimp, and mantis shrimp have these weapons that we call raptorial appendages, which are actually mouth parts that have over time evolved to be these enlarged structures that move at really high speeds and accelerations and can strike with really extremely high forces. So I can show you what a strike looks like. The sound would be different, right? Because they're not hitting metal, they're hitting each other's exoskeleton. They've frequently been studied as using this club for eating things. So smashing open snails, dismembering crabs, breaking apart their food items. What I think is an understudied part of how they use this appendage is for their aggressive contests, so actually using them to hit each other during fights. We put one animal into an artificial burrow. It was just a piece of pipe, basically, that was mostly covered up. We let it make its home in there. We introduced an intruder on the other side and then recorded all the behaviors. And then when one animal made this clear directed retreat, we could tell it was kind of running away, then we called the fight there. So we thought that the winners of the contest would be the ones that struck with a greater force, but we actually found that winners strike a greater number of times. We think that telson sparring might actually be a way of communicating an individual's persistence or its motivation to keep going. So if one animal is really motivated to get that burrow, or if one animal has a higher amount of energy, a greater, say, reserve of energy, then it might be able to just continue striking, and then its competitor, if it's not able to do that, would then just run away. And since weapons are pretty diverse across a wide range of organisms, knowing more about how animals are using those weapons in contests themselves can give us an idea of why those weapons evolved to be what they are.
Produced by Duke University.